Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 5. This is lesson number 14, our environment part 2. In the previous video, we have studied what is our environment, what are our surroundings and the greenhouse effect. We have studied about the greenhouse effect and how our atmosphere around the earth act like the greenhouse. So the gases responsible for the greenhouse effects are called greenhouse gases. Water vapor, carbon dioxide and methane are the most common greenhouse gases. Okay. Without the greenhouse effect, earth would be too cold for life to exist. So atmosphere maintain the temperature on the earth in day and night. Okay. Land, oceans and plants absorb energy from sunlight. They release some of this energy as heat. So greenhouse gases absorb the heat and send it back towards earth. Without greenhouse gases, this heat would escape into space. So now let us see what will happen if there are too much greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. There should be a proper maintenance in the atmosphere of these greenhouse gases. So let's see about what is global warming. Okay, human activities are increasing the greenhouse effect. Human activities like running the vehicles, running the factories, releasing the smoke from the factories, okay, burning the crackers, sometimes because of forest fire, it happens. So human activities are increasing the greenhouse effect. Cars, buses and factories burn fossil fuels such as petrol, diesel or coal. Burning fossil fuels release carbon dioxide. So because of excess use of these vehicles, the smoke which comes out, it contains carbon dioxide. So burning fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide. This is increasing the greenhouse gases. As we have seen here, carbon dioxide is the greenhouse gas. So when more carbon dioxide is releasing in the atmosphere, these vehicles through the smoke, they are increasing the greenhouse gases in the air, and increase in greenhouse gases means more heat being trapped and earth becoming warmer than normal. As we have studied the earth's atmosphere which is present around the earth, so it is absorbing the heat of the sun, so it maintains the proper temperature on the earth during the day and during the night. If more carbon dioxide, which is the greenhouse gas, if more carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere, it absorbs more heat from the sun. Then it makes the earth more warmer than normal. This unusually rapid warming of earth due to an increase in greenhouse gases is called global warming. This unusual warming of the earth because of the greenhouse gases which are present in the atmosphere. In the atmosphere already these greenhouse gases are present, but because of the smoke from the factories, because of the use of fossil fuel which smoke is coming out, it is increasing the quantity of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. When carbon dioxide is more, it is absorbing more heat of the sun. Then when the atmosphere is absorbing more heat of the sun, the earth will become warmer than normal. So this warming of the earth is called global warming. Okay, let's see what happens if global warming increases. The warmer weather could harm living things. So the temperature more than the usual temperature from the normal temperature, it harm living things. It could also cause the polar ice caps to melt. So the glaciers and ice which are present on the earth, on the polar regions and on the different snow covered mountains, it starts melting unusually. Okay, so ice caps will start melting. This would cause sea levels to rise. when these ice which are present on the mountains or in the glaciers or on the polar region, when it starts melting more than the usual levels from the normal levels, it increases the sea level, because the rivers which starts from the mountains, from the snow covered mountains, these rivers they flow and mixes with the seas and oceans. So because of more melting of ice, the level of the sea will increase. Okay, so plants, animals, and buildings along coastlines would be in danger. Global warming may also be responsible for extreme weather conditions, irregular rainfall, and more frequent droughts and floods. So, because of this increasing temperature in the atmosphere, because of the increasing global warming, all the living things will get affected first of all, and the sea level will increase, and the weather conditions will become uh, extremely hot, and there will be irregular rainfall and more frequent droughts and floods. Now we will see a quick check, match the following. Whatever you have learned in the above paragraphs, let's try to solve through this. Trapping of heat by greenhouse effect. Trapping of heat by greenhouse gases matches to greenhouse effect. B. Helps plant grow in cold climates. Helps plants grow in cold climates. This greenhouse matches with that. Causes global warming. What causes global warming? Deforestation, burning fossil fuel. Unusually rapid warming of Earth is global warming. Can help in slowing down global warming. Afforestation means planting more trees, reduced use of fossil fuel. So these are the match the following, solve in your textbooks. Okay, children. So that's it for today's video. We will continue this lesson from by saving the environment, some steps which we should follow to save our environment, as our environment, our atmosphere, our earth is getting affected by this by the increasing greenhouse gases, and because of the global warming, what destructions we are getting on our earth. To reduce it, what steps should be followed, we will see in the saving the environment topic in the next week, inshallah. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.